What's up, everybody? Moving on to another question. The function y equals 4x cubed plus kx squared minus 15x plus 6 has a 0 when x is equal to -3. Determine the value of k. Okay, what does this mean? That a function has a 0 at x is equal to -3. Just basically means that there's an x-intercept at -3. So if I take this function and instead of putting y, let's put f of x here. Make it look a little nicer. So if I rewrite this function like this, if this function has an x-intercept at -3, all that means is that f of -3 is equal to 0. Basically, at an x value -3, the y value is 0. So we can just take this and plug it in here, and then we can solve for that k because it's going to be the only variable remaining. So basically, the y value is 0, and we plug in -3 for all of the x values. So we'd have -3 to the power of 3 plus k, -3 squared. Remember to put that -3 always in brackets for all of the x values, just so you don't slip any negatives. So -3 to the power of 3, we got to do the exponent first. That would be -27. -3 squared is +9 times k would give us 9k. And then -15 times -3, that gives us +45 plus 6. So let's simplify this a little bit. 4 times -27, that gives us -108. Then we have 9k here, and then 45 plus 6 would give us 51. So now let's solve for this k value. Let's bring this -108 over and this 51 over. So we'd have +108, right? The sign changes, minus 51 equals 9k. So 108 minus 51, that gives us what? 57. 9k there, and then divide both sides by 9. So let's continue this here. So that means k is going to be 57, or sorry, the k stays. The 9's cancel out. So k is going to be 57 over 9. And notice how we can reduce this further because 57 and 9 are both divisible by 3. 57 divided by 3 gives us 19, and then 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. So k is 19 over 3. That is the final answer. And you can always check your answer. You could take that k value, plug it into the function, and then see if this holds here, this original equation that we made. So you can plug in -3 for all the x's with that k of 19 over 3 and see if all of those will give you a y value of 0, and it should work out. And if it does work out, then you know that this function with a k value of 19 over 3 is going to have an x-intercept at -3.